We are going to go over configuring the Trader Workstation platform to accept connections for the API to use the order entry software. So first off, go ahead and log in to either your paper account or your live trading account. I recommend first starting off with the paper trading, just so you can get used to the software and experience it. You will have to configure it on both sides of the software, so both on live trading and on paper trading, because the settings are per account. So go ahead and let's open up the File menu, and then we're going to go into Global Configuration here. Now once you're in Global Configuration, we're going to go ahead and go down to the API section right here, and you can expand it out and click on Settings. Now, the main important settings here is going to be making sure that the Enable ActiveX and Socket Clients is enabled. We want to make sure that the Read-Only API option is unchecked. We also want to set the port to whatever number you want. In the application, it's set to default at socket port 7497. So if it's not set to that, you can. Otherwise, you'll have to change that setting in the software as well. So I'm going to leave it at 7497. And then the other option is, unless you're doing something advanced and you already have this configured, I go ahead and just say allow connections from localhost only, which is this option down here. We want to make sure that that's checked. If you have other applications that are using the API, you would just need to, or you're coming from outside of your computer, you would need to add those trusted IPs. But for this software, it runs on localhost only, so we just need to make sure that's checked. And we can go ahead and click OK. Now once that's set up, Interactive Brokers, the TWS platform here, is now ready to accept a connection from the order entry app.